A very good day to all traders. This is Rain. I'm the founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So let us look at pound dollar on today's weekly market analysis. Pound dollar on the daily chart has showed that a confirmation of downwards movement. Yes. So some ways of trading is wait for a retracement back into the resistance area to look for a shorting opportunity that will be perfect at 1.2900. Head down to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, very bearish move. Nothing for me right now. To the 1-hour chart, likewise. Alright, so back to the daily chart. While I'll share with you my analysis. There is a bullish shark. Looks like a higher chance of completing it. The panel formation that the market has break away from it. So this is good to for panel. You see, I usually like to see where is the first move of the intention. It will give me pretty much the idea where will I focus in the trade. So in this case, it break downwards first. I'll definitely look for a shorting opportunity, for trend trading opportunity. Head down to 4-hour chart. This is my sell zone, a bigger sell zone area, waiting for a pullback into this 1.29 range, and I'm looking for a short. That's all I have for pound dollar. So if you'd like to join us on our live session on this upcoming Wednesday, it will be 6:08 p.m. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon on Facebook Live.